He's going to stop. Follow Sarah.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Sit.
They're all interested in you, Carl, but not constitutional matters, mate. Who are you? So you sorry about misleading people with the vaccine? Because these assholes all promoted it.
Are you guilty by association during the COVID times for pushing the vaccine? Kyle Sandilands, are you guilty, yes or no?
These kooks from Bloom Brigade. Are the wheels of justice turning front?
Sorry. I'm having to talk about the COVID thing in 1 second. Okay. I won't ignore you guys.
Kyle, are the wheels of justice turning faster?
ARN seem to want to slow things down. To make up your own mind as to what that strategy is about. I just want to get back either to work or get back earning. I've got a family, got mortgages to pay like everyone else.
Are you confident you have a good case? Are you confident you have a strong case?
We are happy that what we're putting forward is going to be well received.
When are you ready to get back on air?
I'm ready to go out. I told the judge today, or they told them. We're happy to go back on Monday.
ARN doesn't want you there, Carl. It sounds like ARN doesn't want you there. How do you feel about it?
It does sort of feel like that, but
on constitutional matters. We got constitutional matters up in
I'm going to come to you. I'm going to come to Sandilands.
They're not reporting.
I'm not sure, actually. I just want to get back to work. So if it's not with these people, I'll have to figure out a whole new plan. But I had a 10-year deal. That's where I want to go. I've been able to speak with Jackie contrary to popular reporting. I haven't spoken with Jackie.
Do you regret what you said to Jackie?
Oh yeah, I've said that before. No, everyone says things from time to time, especially with people that you're close with, and it's unfortunate it works out that way. She understands. We've had blow-ups before. Her on me on her. We just get over it usually. So I think this has all turned into quite a circus.
When you say ARN is being opportunistic, what do you by that?
Did I say that?
Perhaps not.
Maybe you've read someone else's story. Maybe you've read Mary's story. What I feel like, it feels like I didn't do anything different than I've been doing for 25 years. Actually, a little bit tamer than most days, because I was actually quite concerned that she's feeling good and everything's okay. And an argument did happen. I think it was quite tame compared to how they've been before. And it would have been something that would have just been over and done with the next day, and the show would have cruised on like normal.
Do you not think?
Sorry, I've got to go and speak to the constitutional people.
Are you surprised?
Mr. Sandilands?
You're told you're not going to go anywhere.
Can I just ask you a question, Mr. Sandilands?
Please. Sorry, mate. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. I did say I'd come here. Are you with the other ladies?
No, I'm independent media.
I'm with the other people.
Yep. Okay, you ready? And go for it. Hang on. Go.
Kyle's legal team wants to confine his case to that fateful 20 minutes, saying this is not an occasion for a royal commission into the radio host and his history. His employer, on the other hand, wants to drum up the past. Yep, we'll just keep
Let's do
going.
one more.
I'm so sorry. I'm tearing my hair out with my glasses.
Okay, Tiff, you ready?
Yep.
And action. Hang on.
I think we were told one thing.
Sorry, Steve. Okay, Tiff.
Yep.
And yep.
Okay, 3-2. Kyle's legal team wants to confine this case to that fateful 20 minutes, saying this is not an occasion for a royal commission into the controversial radio star and his history. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yep.
You're good.
But you all misled the people, said the vaccines.
And yep.
Okay, 3-2. Kyle's legal team wants
Sorry, Tiff. Sorry.
No, it's good.
Yep.
Kyle's legal team wants to confine his case to that fateful 20 minutes, saying this is not an occasion for a royal commission into the radio star and his history. His employer, on the other hand, wants to drum up the past.
Beautiful,
Yep.
Tiff. That was great. That was really good.
No,
No, that was the one. That was the one.
I've got to go. I've got to show you. Thank you for admitting. I really appreciate
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Thomas, drop it down for a sec. You're good.
Yep.
This is more. I know. I think it's maybe going.
Discussions you want to get back to?
But you know what? This is probably what I'm having these discussions because this is what I'd normally be doing on the radio, and I'm not doing it. I've got to go. I've got to go.
All right, Carl, you dropped a bit of a
Just run it if you can.
And you've
So all you mediation guys do yourself was counters and more guts and all you put together. So you're right.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I'm quite yelling about COVID and I don't know what day it is. I'm okay, yeah. We'll see the court continue to the very end. ARN has one angle and I have another angle. I feel the judge is very fair, very smart judge. We are quite lucky there. There's no deal. At the end of the day, I'm not sure how you can get fired for something you've done the same thing every day of your life for 25 years.
Do you expect Jackie to be called as a witness?
You're right. I don't know yet, guys.
Are you concerned about the guns coming up? I think that they didn't want this to be a
I'm not concerned about anything. You can drum up the past, you can bring up whoever you want. Like, at the end of the day, was it misconduct or not misconduct?
So you know to be controversial. You don't
So they say.
different?
Look, I'd rather be going to work every day and be home by now in bed. But my wife was very happy to see me get up and do something today. And after this, I've got to go into the swimming pool out, I'm told.
So you're keeping yourself busy then?
Today, I am, yeah. Today's the day. He enjoys that.
It's a breakfast in Champions League.
Sorry, babe? I am ready to get back to work. I'm ready to get back to work with the contract that I've got with ARN.
You say you're going to do like stealing petrol prices and everything like everyone else now? Are you back to the normal
We're paying the driver here to absorb.
How's George going?
Chabo.
I saw George yesterday. He's off the cane.
Right. Carl, you're picking up the fuel bill?
Mate, I'm always picking up the bill. I wish I wasn't going through this. I really thank the fans and your clients and everyone who's reached out and other people from all over the world. And let's just hope we get back to work as soon as possible. Good to see you. We miss you on the air.
I miss you too.
Okay.
All right,
Bye guys. Thanks for everything.
Bye.
Appreciate it.
I'm going out to everybody.
Do I want to pick a car? Yes.
It's been going out for ages.
It's gonna.
Probably easiest to just speed everything out. Yeah, I'm going up.
Yeah.
It's already going.
Yeah, okay, great.
It's going to whatever. Alright. Oh, you can do it whatever you want. Just, doesn't mind.